everyone, today I'm gonna dye my hair with some Bugs dye that I bought at my drugstore. This is the Feria Loreal 11.21. The name of the color is Ultra Pearl Blonde. Obviously I'm not gonna reach the blonde that's on the box, but I only want to to have my roots a little bit lighter. I was not sure if I wanted to bleach like all of my hair or just put some highlights or just go darker. I changed my mind, I think, at least 10 times the last 2 days, but I finally decided that I want my roots to be a little bit lighter. Sorry. So I think this one, it's new from last year. This is the first time I see this box, so actually I wanted to buy another one, another color from L'Oreal. I think the name was Ash Blonde, L'Oreal 8.1 or something like that, and they didn't have it, so I decided to go with this one. I tried to do a strength test like this morning. I don't know, where is it? It did not change a lot, but I did see that it looks like a dark brown, and if it's like brown or kind of a brown, I'm good with that, because I just want to change it. I don't want the black roots anymore. So I have a lot of black hair. This is my natural color on the top. I think in the middle I might have some dark black hair dye that I put maybe 2 years ago, because I changed my hair color, not a lot, but I do put a lot of color in my hair. So I bleached my ends last summer. I think the last time I bleached my hair, it was probably, I think it's, I'll have to look for it, but I think it was in September. I'm not sure. I'll try to find it. I mix the hair dye and I transfer it in a bowl. Then I separate my hair in 4 sections and separate each section to smaller one. Don't put the hair dye too close to your scalp because you're going to have hot roots. So you're going to see me apply this only to the length of my hair where it's black and not too close to my scalp. I try to avoid to put this whereas my hair is bleached. I only gonna put this 10 minutes before I wash my hair to the bleach board. It's been a long time that I did not use some Bugs dye, so I forgot how strong the smell was. Once I'm finished to put the hair dye where my hair is black, I go back to each section, then put the hair dye all over my roots. I wait at least 30 minutes, then I go back and put the hair dye to the ends of my hair where it's bleached. Then I just wash my hair. I feel like the camera is not really showing the real color, so I'll just put some picture so you will be able to see what my hair really looks like in different lighting. So yeah, personally I really like the color. It looks like a light brown, and last week I actually bleached my hair. I put some highlights in the front, so I'll post a video next week. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like the color? Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.